Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features Halifax influencer Holly's housewife life. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
This dress is so lovely. This is the lily red and white polka dot dress, and it is absolutely so fun to spin in. It has such a great full skirt, but a fitted top, and I love the little cap sleeve. The polka dot detail is so classic. It is probably the most classic print, but the red gives it a really fun vibe, and I love the way that it's fit and flare. So my arms are very comfortable because of the cap sleeve, and I have a cute little V-neck, but I can get a good full spin in with this skirt. Absolutely beautiful. This dress is a work of art. This is a Carrie dress in the color orchid. The shade itself is absolutely beautiful. This gorgeous jewel toned, but the dress is just stunning. It is almost modest in a way. It has your arms covered. It's a T length, which I love because it shows the shoe. So you get a little, you can wear it almost anywhere. It gives you a little flexibility. It's not quite on the ground type of gown, but the sexiness of the deep V in the front, and I'm not wearing a bra here. Shout out, not wearing a bra. So you have some great support to the matching V in the back, gives it a real sexy vibe. Oh, hey, a housewife meets bombshell babe. That's how I'm feeling in this Maisie dress. It has everything that I love. The florals are beautiful. They're very feminine. And then you have this ruching in between the chest area to kind of flatter the top half. You have a little bit of a cap puff sleeve, but they're loose enough that you could get away with pulling this as an off-the-shoulder look as well. Then as we move down, it's a little bit fitted, but it's an A-line. And then it has the double slit, which is so airy and light. It's a beautiful summertime dress. You could get away wearing this at any event, but it has a little bit of that spicy sex appeal. I love that the print is very bold and the background is very clean and crisp. The white is not sheer at all. It's very opaque, so you can wear your undergarments without fear of them showing through. It's just such a pretty dress for any occasion. Timeless, elegant, stunning, but with a bit of sass, a bit of boss energy in this dress. You walk in the room, all eyes are going to be on you because this is a stunner. This is the test dress. It's an eyelet fit at the top. You have your sweetheart bust line, and then the neckline is outlined in a bit of a thicker band. You have that matching around your arms as well. It fits like a dream. Sometimes I struggle with a fit and flare dress, but this fits me like a glove. Let me do a little spin here. The bottom of the fit and flare goes in at the waist, out at the skirt, and then you have a matching bit of eyelet down at the hem. Gorgeous. Okay, we're getting into the unknown with this. This is the Carrie dress in blue, and to be frank, I don't think the online photos do this dress justice. It is so incredibly beautiful in person. The color is much richer, much more jeweled, much more pop. I don't know. It just has a pizzazz to it when you see it in person. I'm obsessed with an accordion style skirt, which is what this is with the pleats, the matching in the arms. It makes me just want to spin all day. You'll have to come try this on for yourself. It's beautiful.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.